Reusable glue trap housing products give do-it-yourself pest control fans a way to control insects and rodents while cutting way down on disposable plastic and cardboard waste. When you use a reusable glue trap housing, think of it as a long-lasting outer shell that safely holds your replaceable glue tray or sheet, so you only discard the sticky insert when it is full or spent. Choose housings made of sturdy plastic or metal that can be opened with a latch or simple screw and that have small entry points sized to your target pest. For example, narrow slots for insects or slightly larger openings for mice, which keeps pets and children from reaching inside. Place the housings along runways like wall edges, behind appliances, or near door thresholds because pests travel along edges and tight gaps, not in open areas. For refillable glue trays, slide the tray into the housing so the sticky surface sits level, and leave a small gap from the wall so pests naturally move along and over the entrance. Check traps at least once a week, more often during active seasons, and replace the adhesive sheet when it is half covered or dusty, since dust and debris quickly reduce stickiness. When removing used glue sheets, fold the sticky sides together, seal them in a small bag, and follow your local solid waste rules so you are not releasing live pests or sticky material into the environment. A few common mistakes can ruin the benefit. Many people set housings where they are easy for humans to reach instead of where pests actually travel. So if you see droppings or insect trails, reposition the housings directly along those paths and keep them in place for several weeks. Others try to stretch each glue insert too long to save money, which leads to dry or clogged surfaces that neither capture pests nor provide sanitation. So schedule a regular replacement routine and treat inserts as consumables. A lot of do-it-yourself users also forget about safety and use open boards, which can catch pets or children. So always choose a tamper-resistant style housing with small entry points and latch it fully closed each time you service the trap. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners who use reusable glue trap housings find local pest control contractors when they want professional backup or seasonal inspections. We also help contractors get more work and join our discussion community, where homeowners and pros share real experiences and tips about greener pest control setups and long-lasting refillable products.